Ryan.
Go do donuts and Eastgate.
I was saying before, but I fucked up the recording. We had Ryan Mintz and Ryan Baker last time, so he was Ryan. He was Mayan Rince. Now we got another Ryan, so I don't know how it's gonna fucking go.
Just call him Nut.
Huh?
Little Ryan is Little Ryan.
No, I'm gonna call you Nut.
Wait, wouldn't you be Little Ryan? You got the truck.
You can you can be Big Nut.
That's my snap, dude. What is it? Yeah, Big Nut 84.
Hey, plug right here. He's married. Got the good old
Dodge Dash.
cracked up dashboard. Ooh, I heard that. Ryan said fuck you.
Huh?
Ryan said fuck you.
Oh, yeah?
Oh wait, you wanted to follow him.
Just wave him off.
I forgot to tell you. Ryan said fuck you.
Oh yeah? Hey Ryan!
No, he said he'll follow you.
Alright, where am I going?
Eastgate Mall?
Eastgate Mall?
Or Dick's. Dick's works.
Dick's work, whatever shut down.
Well, hey, actually, no, we don't. We go to Mexico,
Go to Mexico and do dumb shit.
which is where we're headed.
You clean your windows. It's that for a while.
Fucking wheel hopping, dude. Jesus.
What the fuck is this car doing?
Yeah, I don't know.
Is that how you perform in Mexico?
It's two-step tunnel. And that's actually me, her. Nervous?
Hell yeah.
Say, you haven't done any donuts in this before, have you?
The fucking
There's
police.
fucking UT here. You know what that means? Dick's is free. Dick's is open.
What's he stopping for?
It's a stop sign. There's fucking police officers right there.
We're in Mexico.
The fuck is he stopping for? Tell me he saw that.
He's trying to pull in.
I know.
Starts doing a donut. All right, guess for me. We'll go to Dick's. We'll go to Dick's. Dick's. Less piggies.
I can't wait to clip that and just have you go, Dick.
We'll go to Dick's. Dick's. We'll go to Dick's. Right where the cops' picture's coming up. Dick's.
Dick.
Dick's.
Here we go.
That car stopped for us, though. They were nice.
Just like wave to him. Like, accident! It's alright, it's alright.
Practice, I ain't done with the truck. She wanted to grip the whole time.
You gotta go balls to the wall to
Yeah,
get
you guys
these
do.
things. Nice thing.
You gotta rev dump it.
What?
Gotta rev it up and dump it.
Huh?
You gotta go balls to the wall, rev limit, dump that shit full angle. Whoa! Just trying to hold it.
Fucking got it!
Fully sent, dude. Fully fucking sent. Also, don't do it if you don't feel comfortable doing it.
You got traction off?
What?
You got traction off?
Yeah, it's been on.
Okay. I'm just making sure, buddy. You can e-brake slide. Get it and yank the e-brake.
I'm not ripping any brake.
And dump it. Let's see.
I'm not wrecking this thing.
You weren't braking.
Last
got-
time I did that, I hit a fucking curb with the seat.
We don't got any curbs. You'll be able to see if it's coming.
He hit a curb because we were going fucking like 40 miles an hour ripping the e-brake in the snow. That did. He's close to us, so.
Back up a little bit. There he goes. Oh, you should have yanked it. You had it. You would have yanked it. You had it. All you did was spin the tires.
And worst case scenario, all you gotta do is
I'm not gonna fuck with it. I'm not breaking this bitch tonight.
Alright, but if you ever want to, when in doubt, clutch out. There's no harm, no foul if you just shove that clutch back in.
Which tires did that spin?
All of them?
I fucking heard the plastics fucking shaking and I'm like, fuck this.
It's trying to grab. It's not hurting nothing.
I just seen those two bright lights. See them over there? They just pulled up.
Let's go
and
roll.
parked.
Go run it, Ryan.
We can go anywhere, you know.
Okay, does that side exit out?
What side?
Right down there.
If you go this way, it takes you back to the beginning, where we came from. Nah, yeah, this is just a parking lot.
I thought you said this exits out.
That one. Well, here, go that way.
She saved herself. I was like, oh fuck, not the Honda.
Dude, we were so close to that fucking. What was that? Well, shit.
That's her a little too hard, bud.
That was lucky. That was lucky. Lucky those cops weren't pulling out of the fucking. When we went to slide, and I didn't think you were gonna hit it at first, and then it looked like, because you kept giving it gas, I was like, I don't know. I really don't know what's happening at this point.
I get a little excited. My flip starts getting heavy. Did you see me almost smack the Honda?
Yeah. You're going in traffic, the light just turned on, and then you go.
I said, fuck.
We were just getting closer and closer to that little white car, dude.
I yanked it. I got the twist right
That
in.
Kia fucking about maybe right into him.
What? Well, because they didn't want to fucking smash into him.
When the fucking Jeep flung up, cut you off, flung up behind me.
I know it was on his ass.
Yeah, why did he do that?
I don't know, but I was riding his ass.
I thought he was just calling in and snitching on me.
Man, you know what?
So what up, y'all? We made it back in one piece, so that's kind of a surprise.
Almost dying on
If
the
you
way
guys couldn't tell from the title, I don't know, maybe.
back. Yeah.
So, drifting the truck, it was fun as fuck.
10 out of 10, first time.
Full send,
Motherfucker.
full send. Any thoughts?
Yeah. Rear wheel drive.
Fuck yeah. We tried to break this thing loose, but you know the factory, they try and stop you from getting dangerous. You got water in your intercooler, bud. Nice and cool.
Yeah.
Cool off.
Well,
Good
yeah,
for
it's a
the car.
ram air intake. It's a big ass hole.
You got water in your intercooler there, bud. Is that good?
Here, up some gang signs. To wrap my set.
I'm just gonna hold it. Fuck it.